Hello all, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to start our first topic of FICO module, that is enterprise structure. So whichever module you want to practice or you want to learn, the basic configuration, basic setting are common for all, that is enterprise structure. So in this video I am going to teach you what are the main components of enterprise structure that needed mandatory, whichever module you want to learn. So before that I want to tell you one thing. In this playlist all video are related to configuration, detailed configuration. Here I just cover some overview of the topic, like what is company code. I just touch the what is company and company code. If you want to know the more about company and company code and every topic detail, I will create one separate playlist for that. If you have any doubt, you go to the separate playlist for theory and there you can find your doubt. If still you have any doubt, you just comment below or connect to my mail. I will share my mail ID in the description. So I am going to start this full course in HANA version. So let me just quickly show you the version, which version I am going to take the class. For this we have to go to system, status. Here you can find that details button. Click on details. They are going to install production. Then you can find that 2020. So all video I will be make on HANA version 2020. So let's start the video. As you can see, this is the SAP screen. This is the main SAP easy access screen. After login, screen look like this. So here those who are the end user or business user, they are working there. Here they do daily transaction like data entry, daily invoice entry, sales bill, journal entry, everything they done here. But any configuration or development will do in SPRO skin or IMG skin. So for this we have to go to IMG skin. IMG stand for implementation guide skin. So for this is the T code area. Here we have to type SPRO. Press enter and it's come to customize execute project. And here you can see SAP reference IMG. It stands for SAP reference implementation guide. So any configuration we have to click on this reference IMG button. Here you can see all the module related configuration to SAP we done here. Like here you have to define the enterprise structure, then financial account, controlling, logistic, sales and distribution, logistic execution, quality management, all things are there. So we are focused on today only focus on enterprise structure. So before going to configure, let me just note down, make a quick note, what are the important component need to configure enterprise structure and what are the things comes under enterprise structure. So I'll make a notepad and I make a note for this. So at very first we need one company. Next we need company code. Next we have to assign this company to company code. I am using acronym CO means company and COCD means company code. Next we need one credit control area. Next we have to assign this credit control area to company code. Next we need business area. We need functional area. Then we need some FM area. It's called financial management. So let me quick just give an overview of this all term so you can understand easily. If you want any detail, you can view that theory playlist. There I will cover all the detailed video about company code, business area, functional area, all these things. So these are the main primary things we need to from FI side to do any configuration or any transaction. Without this we can do anything in SAP. One more thing, we have to assign FM area to company code. That's it. Now let me just quickly brief one thing. What is company? Company means a group of company, not an individual. It is the main parent. Next, company code. So we are doing every configuration and every data entry, every reporting only for based on that company code. This is the legal entity of a group of company. Suppose Tata is a group of company. In Tata group we have Tata Steel, TCS, Tata Power, Tata Finance, something like that. These are all comes under legal entity. And Tata group is group of company. It means it's a group. So at the end of the year, suppose we have three different company code. So what we do at the end of year, we merge all these three company code financial report, and we can view that whole report as a group of company report. All three company code financial report we merge and create one group report. This is called group reporting. Then we need credit control area. Credit control area is a very important and mandatory topic in SAP. Without credit control area, you can't do any data entry. I will tell you details in theory part. Here I just give an overview. Next one is business area. Business area is nothing but you can call it as a branch of any organization, that irrespective of the line of activity or geographical area. Suppose you have one business in India and you have 2 3 branches, like one is Calcutta, one is Chennai, one is Mumbai. So Chennai, Calcutta, Mumbai is treated as a branch. This is going to geographical area. One thing is line of activity. Suppose in one company you have two types of business. One is plastic, one is polythene. So these two are going to be business area. One is polythene, one is plastic. So this is nothing but branches. Next, functional area. Functional area is that area we define functional area to view or to know the cost, to know the expenses. Suppose in an organization many area is there, say admin area, marketing area, sales and distribution area, IT area, service area. So how much expenses we incurred for admin area? To know that, we have to define functional area. To know the department, we can say department wise expenses. To know the department wise expenses. FM area. What is FM area? FM area is also a important, not more important. FM area is used to manage the cash and fund. What are your fund and cash? To manage the cash and fund. So these are the just overview of this particular term, like company code. If you want more, I will create one separate playlist, you can go there and you can check the details about this. So I just take one example what I am going to configure. Suppose I am going to take my company as a SK01. This is my company name, and my company code is also I am taking the same, that is SK01, just to avoid the mistake. And if I do different type of name, takes different types of name, then I forget maybe in future. That's why I take the same. Then credit control area. Credit control area I also use the same SK01. Business area I am going to use KOL. It stands for Kolkata. And sorry, it's going to be here. Then functional area, you can take anything like admin and IT. Next, FM area. FM area I am going to use same as SK01. You can do anything. That doesn't matter. So we are going to configure all this thing. Before that, I am just quickly write that shortcut key or T code to create the company. T code will be 1x15. Company code OX02. And credit control area is OB45. To create the business area, T code is OX03. Functional area FM underscore function. Then FM area T code WIP. We are going to do it by path. I can forget the T code, does not matter. Let's see it in system only. So I am in system. So first we have to do company. So for that we have to, as I mentioned earlier, it is going to be enterprise structure. To go to enterprise structure, then definition, financial accounting. Here you can see define company, and beside define company there one clock sign is there. It's called IMG activity. This is the, you have to click on this to enter in to configure. Here you can see these are all the predefined company. Some are predefined and some are created by the student. These are the, so we have to click on new entries, as we are going to create new company code. Click on new entries. Here you can see it is showing company. So let's see what is meant by company. So for this, what you have to do, click on here and you have to press F1, function 1 for help. So what is showing, it's a unique company ID of a company within your corporate group. It's a group of company. It's not a company code. It is the main parent company. So it will, I will type SK01, and here you have to mention the company name. So I am mentioning SK group of company. Name 2 is not mandatory, we can skip it. Then street, I fill up street 169 Sarat Bose STR. PO box, postal code, sorry, this is not postal code. PO box number, you can do anything, keep anything. City Kolkata. Country. So here where your group of company is situated, you can see your search option is there. You can click on mouse by search. So it is in India. I'm going to India. This is India. Then language, my language obviously English. Currency, as you can see, earlier I go with this search option. Now if I want to execute by keypad, you have to press F4 or function 4. So my currency will be, as it is in India, it will be INR, Indian rupees. This is predefined by SAP. I will make another video only on currency, because after HANA upgradation, there are lots of things are there in currency. So I will make a separate theory video only based on the currency. Now you can see there is option, it is for save, and you can save it by control S also. So I am clicking on save. Yeah, this is the most important. This is called, you can see that there is a number, it's called transport request number. What is the uses of this? It is used to move your configuration or development or changes what you done in this IMG screen. It move to quality to production. As you know, in SAP we have different server. One is development server, one is quality server, one is production server. So whatever work we do consultant in development server. Right now I am also working on its development server. So whatever we done development server, it is stored by one request number, that is called customizing request number. This number, based on this number, we can transfer all this setting and changes to quality server, later production server. So if you miss that transport request number, you can't move your settings to one to another server. And here you can see one data view maintenance. This is table. In SAP, as you know, in SAP everything is storing under one table or multiple combination of multiple table. Here it's storing under one table, that is v underscore t880. So the company store under v880 table, that you know. Now how may I know that this transfer request number is belong to my company code or my account, my user? It is short description showing BRF plus. It's not mine. I have not created any request number. So we have to create a new request number. So here you can see that new option is there, create request. Click on create request. Now you have to give one description. I will type enterprise structure of SK01. Based on this short description, you have to find which is your transport request number. Later whatever configuration we will do now, we will save in this transport request number only. So as a number it's difficult to remind, but description we can easily identify what is our customization number. This is my username, so I am saving it. Look, as soon as I save, one new number is coming and new description also come. It is my transport request number. Now click on this tick mark. Data is showing data wise save. So my company SK01 is saved. I repeat, it is company, not company code. In company we do nothing. It is only for reporting purpose. We have to do everything, every data entry in company code level. So one thing now I want to teach you what is transport request number. Just now we save. Now we want to view that transport request number, whether it is saved or not. So for this, what we have to do, we have to go to one T code AC10. As you know, this is the T code area. We type here /n SE10. There is a purpose to use /n. Why I use /n? When I use /n, then this screen replace with AC10 screen. If I use /o, that time what happen? This screen is remaining there. It create a new screen. It's create a new screen. So I want to create a new screen. I click on enter. Look, if I go here, look, two separate screens are there. This is my first screen, and here itself I type /o. Then it's create another screen. So here you can see my user ID, and request type you can see customize request or workbench request. I will make another video only on transport request number. Just for knowledge purpose, I will tell you customizing request means which consultant do functional consultant when do any changes or configuration, that is saved in customization request number. Or any developer or development technical team do any configuration, that is saved under workbench request number. So I click on display. Here you can see this one, enterprise structure of SK01. As you can see, this is my tier number. This 3186 is my transport request number. So later whatever configuration we are going to do, it's save under this tier only. For this is easy to identify whatever configuration we done or what are pending. So this is the main tier, and this main tier, under this main tier one new number is coming, it is called child tier. Basis team do this type of configuration. Functional team does not have that much knowledge. So click on plus button. Look, here showing IMG activity defined company. I just create a company now, that's why it's showing defined company. Click on plus, open, expand. Look, the table name V_T880 showing here. The next one is showing T880. Let's explain now. It is 800 is our client, and SK01 is my company name. So company save under T880 table. Let me show another one thing. Earlier we go to that screen to create company by path. Now I want to use this screen by table itself. Just now I told everything is stored under table. Now I want to go to the same screen by table. So for this we have to go to one T code called SM30. Here we have to type the table name. What is the table name? V_T880. Click on, if we click on display, that time we can only view the data whatever company is there. If we click on maintain, we can create the new company also. Click on maintain. I want to view this. Look, my company is SK01. I am click on position button. Position is used for search. SK01 is my company. Look, SK01, SK group of company is there. Now I want to see the same report in table level. As you can see here, we can do display and maintain. We can maintain, create new data also. I just want to view the data. For this we have to go to another T code, that is AC16N. So for this I type /n AC16N. As I type use n, it means it's replace the AC16 this screen to AC16N screen. Press enter. Now it's going general table display. It is, this T code is used only for display purpose. So what is the table name? T880. Press enter. Look, here it's showing company. I give my company name SK01. Execute. Here showing company, company name, street, address, zip code, currency, everything showing here. So my data is stored under T880 table. That's okay. So one step, so this is done. First step is done. Next one is create company code. This is the main most important things in SAP. Without company code you can do nothing. So for this I am going to SPRO scheme, reference IMG, financial accounting, sorry, it is in enterprise structure, definition, financial accounting. You can see the third option, edit, copy, delete, check company code. You have to click on here. So I will execute it. Then edit company code data. Here you can see lots of company codes are there, which is some of are predefined, some of are created by other student. So you have to, as we want to create new company code, so we have to create new entries. Company code, what is our company code? It will be same like our company, it is SK01. Company name, I given company name as SKIT Solution Limited. Here is the difference. If you observe, when I do company, that time I mention SK group of company. Here there I don't use any word like limited, but when I do company code, that time I mention that SK Solution Limited. City Kolkata, same. Country India, currency INR, language also English. So now I want to save. We can save it by click on here, or I can save it by Control S. Look, this is come for edit address. This is the company basic data, additional data. Now we have to provide here address. This is my company name also SKIT Solution Limited. This is the, I am filling only the mandatory field. One thing you can look here on tick mark is there. Tick mark means it is a mandatory field. We have to put data here. Without putting we can't save. So I giving the country IN India. I don't want to put data here because this all are not mandatory field. I just click on this tick mark. Look, here also come one request number. But if you observe, when I do company, I am done configuration for company, that time one table showing here V underscore T880, but this time it's not showing. It's mean what? It's mean this company code T coders, it's a combination of multiple table, not a single table. Company is storing data in a single table, but company code is storing the company code data is stored data by multiple table. That's why not showing any table. So how we can find the table where the company code data will save? Let's see. So you can see enterprise structure of SK01, though that is my transport request number, I am saving it. Data was saved. Now I want to show you how I may know that which table this data save. So let's go to SE69, sorry, SE10. Oh, sorry, I don't use that slash SE10. This is my user. Click on display. This is my transport request number. customize tags. Look, earlier there only define company is there, but now edit, copy, delete, check company, one entry added. So I expand it, data, look, v underscore t001. So in which table the company code data will save? The company code data save under t001 table. So we can access this table by t code sm30 also, or we can go to by path also. If we use sm30, that time we have to use v underscore t001 table. Even if we are going to through path, that time enterprise structure, you know what is the path. So let's see the table t001. So what is the t code for t001? To view the table, to display the table, that is sc16n. What is the table name? T001. What is my company code? SK01. Let's execute. Look, this is my company code, my company name, city, address, everything is stored there. So it is a combination of multiple table, company code, not a single table. So it is company code also done. Now what we have to do? We have to assign this company to company code. So let's go to SPRO, reference img, enterprise structure. Earlier we do in definition. Now I want to assign it. So click on assignment, financial accounting, assign company code to company, execute. Click on position. Position is nothing but searching. Company code SK01. Look, company is here empty. I have not assigned the company to company code. My company is SK01. Now it's clear that this SK01 company code is belong to SK01 group of company. If I have more than 2-3 company code, that time also we have to assign this group of company under one group of company, that is SK01. Now save it. This time also one table is name is coming. It means it's storing under one table. This is my transport request number. Let's save it. So third step also done. Next, credit control area. So we have to do credit control area. Where we have to go? We have to go to definition, enterprise structure, definition, financial accounting, credit control area. Define credit control area, new entries. My credit control area will be SK01 only, and control area currency also INR. Update. Here I am making the video of what is update and what is the credit control area detail video. As of now we can choose that open order value 1, time exist, delivery and bill document. The second one, fiscal year variant. Fiscal year variant is the most important in SAP. I will do another video about this, don't worry. As of now, SAP provides some predefined fiscal year variant, that is for India it's V3. V3 is not there. As of now I choose V1, as it is also from April to March for special posting period. I choose V1, but usually it's V3. Not other things needed. Let's save it. My TR number, let us save. Press back. Oh sorry, I forgot to give that description, so I just copy this one. For SK01, let's save it. let us save. So credit control area created. Now we have to assign this credit control area to company code. How this credit control area, how we know, system knows that this credit control area belong to this company code? So for this we have to assign this credit control area to our company code. So we have to come on financial accounting, assign company code to credit control area, execute, go position. What is our company code? That is SK01. Credit control area is also SK01. Let's save it. This is our transport request number. Save. So we have complete this step also. Now we need business area. So we have to create one business area. Let's go to definition, financial accounting, define business area. Business area is nothing but a branch. Click on new entry. I am giving business area as KOL. KOL stand for Kolkata. Let's save it. Business area no need to assign to any company code. Any company code can use the business area. Next, what we have to do? Functional area. As I told, functional area are the area for where you to know the department wise expenses. I will create two area. One is admin, one is IT. Okay, functional area. Sorry, this is the same skin in definition, enterprise structure, definition, financial accounting, define functional area. New entries. Functional area, first one I made admin, next IT. So if functional area for SK01, SK01, I copy it and space it, save. One entry slow, let's make it as marketing. Let's save it. Already saved. So next step, functional management area. Let's create functional management area. To do the functional management area, you can see there maintain FM area. FM area stand for functional management area. So create on new. My functional area will be SK01 only. If you initiate sorry, it's going to be FM area or SK01. FM area currency also INR. Let's save it. What things are pending? Assign FM area to company code. Now we need to assign this FM area to company code. So for this we have to again come to assignment, financial accounting, assign company code to financial management area. Click on position, company code SK01, and our FM area is also SK01. Look, as I type press enter, the FM area text come automatically. Control S. So let's see whatever which are pending. I think we done company code, assign company code, credit control area, assign credit control area to company code, business area, functional area, all things are done. So let's see one, the transport request number. How many configuration we done till now? So for this we have to go to /NAC10. This is my user ID, this is customization icon. Let's click on display. So what is my customization request number? This one, first one. Expand. Look, Here you can see all this thing. Define company, then company code, assign company code to company, then FM area, credit control area, assign credit control area to company code, functional area, assign functional FM area to company code. So whatever we write here, everything is configured. This is the normal configure for FI side. This is the basic configuration needed to do anything in SAP. So as of now, this is the things. Next video will cover some global setting or chart of accounts. Thank you guys for watching this video. Like my channel, like the video and subscribe my channel. Thank you guys.